What's up, everybody? This is Tyler from I Ride Bikes YouTube. It's just mine, like, I don't know, me and my friends, I guess. But this is gonna be my bike check. I'm gonna go through it really fast so that I don't have to wait for 30 minutes for it to get on YouTube. Alright, so, first things first, from the far angle, there's my bike. The frame is a Fit Shiv V2. Starting with my grips, ODI, super soft, the short necks, whatever. Odyssey brake lever to Odyssey gyro cable. These are our Premium Whisky bars. I think they're 28 wide and something like 7.5 tall. Primo V2 top load stem. Snafu detangler, and whatever that thing is, the top one, I don't know. Odyssey headset. Fit Shiv version 2 forks. And then teal wall dirt fit fast. It's the stock wheel set, Premium Samsara stock wheel set. I got the Odyssey lower gyro cable. These are the stock cranks on my bike, but I have the profile. I think they're GH. I don't know, JHP or something like that. I always forget. But yeah, they're coming in the mail. Got the premium seat. I think it's just called the premium seat. I don't really know. I have one stolen thermite pedal and one deco pedal. Broke a pedal wrench trying to get this one off, so need to buy a new pedal wrench and like soak it in grease or something just to loosen it up. Let's see. Got a premium anodized blue sprocket to match the hubs. I got a white Machanic half-link chain. I got the stolen. No, I think I got the shadow seat post. I don't really know. You can't really tell anyway, so who cares? Stock U-brakes when I bought my bike. And that's it. That's my bike in like 3 minutes. If it was too fast, just like comment saying you want more description on something, because I'm not trying to sit for 30 minutes waiting for it to upload. So yeah, just go around my bike real fast so you get a nice look at what you'll see when I'm at the skate park. While I'm shredding.